Another lie has been spotted from the Nigerian government. At this point in time, there is no need to continue to lie, either to please people or to displease people, because there is no how you will tell lies when you are dealing with America that your lies will not be spotted. Now, after the president of the US, Donald Trump, posted the operation, he quoted that at my order, the order emanated from him, that he ordered the US troop to eliminate the ISIS leader in collaboration with the Nigerian government. I want you to understand his statement very well. And he posted it first, even before Nigerian government could confirm that the man has been eliminated. The same man they said they killed last year. Is that the problem? No, that is not the problem. After the killing, some clerics in Nigeria, especially Islamic clerics like Sheikh Gumi and the rest of them, they started raising dust. The dust they are raising is that why would Nigeria allow Trump to kill a terrorist in Nigeria? That the US is not pure. They are not worthy to kill terrorists. Stay with me. I'm coming to analyze what they mean by why would Nigeria allow US to kill a terrorist in Nigeria. They are now crying for the terrorists. I will tell you why. And when you understand why, you will know what I've been telling you about this Boko Haram, ISWAP, that what they are doing, people call it a divine mandate. But for you, you call them terrorists. And tell me how this war, Nigeria can win it. Tell me how Nigeria can win this war. Now, let me go straight to the point. Look at what, I posted the video, however, in my last video. The defense headquarters spokesperson, he came to the Arise News, and you can see that so many news outlet has published it as well. He came to the national television to tell the whole world that the foreign nation, no foreign nation participated in killing this man. That US is only sharing intelligence with them. This is because there are so many people who are challenging them. That why can't you go and call Turkey? Why should you allow America to kill terrorists? So they are now trying to please those people, please Sheikh Gumi. They are trying to make sure that Sheikh Gumi will not be angry. So to let people know that, no, it's not US, so Nigerian army carried out the attack. See, it is not this period of time you will start lying to people now. Now, Pentagon was the one that released the footage of the operation. African Command posted it. AFRICOM posted it. So if US soldiers, US military posted the video and you don't have the video to post, is that the operation you conduct? So if you actually use your military aircraft, where is the video? You're supposed to break the news. It is in your country. You're supposed to break the news. You're supposed to release the footage. Trump broke the news. After 2 days, Trump broke the news before Tinubu confirmed that it is true. And you are telling us that it's not a foreign troop that eliminated the man? The man that you, with your men, told us that he has been eliminated? It doesn't make sense like this. It doesn't make sense. You know, lies do expire. Looking for a way to please terrorists, terror sponsors. Do you actually know what Boko Harams are doing? I'm asking this man because I believe that all these soldiers, all of you people don't know what Boko Haram want to do in Nigeria. You don't know what ISWAP want to do in Nigeria. Christopher Musa, do you actually know what ISWAP want to do in Nigeria? What Boko Haram want to do? What ISIS want to do? Why are you people always afraid when they talk about foreign or international body want to come? Who are you afraid of? What is wrong? No, what is actually wrong with you people? These are the people that have their mission statement thus. Their mission is to overthrow the Nigerian government, install Islamic State in Nigeria that will be governed by Sharia law. Do you get it? That will be governed by Sharia law. So, if you actually come out to be doing all this trying to please terrorist sympathizers, there is something I don't understand about you people. All of you, it seems like your hand is in all these things. Because the same Sheikh Gumi, imagine if it was Okocha Happy Marcel that made that statement. DSS knows exactly where to pick me from. Sheikh Gumi said that, don't listen to Nigerian government, they are all liars. He said, I used to go and see the terrorists, DSS will accompany me. The military will accompany me. The police will accompany me. And then he went further to say that Nigerian government, led by Bola Ahmed Tinubu, knows the names of the terrorists. Number one, he knows where they are. He have their phone number. So if he wants to get them, he knows where to get them. Is there anybody that comes out to debunk such thing? If that statement came from P2B, you will see how Reno Mokri, Dainebo, and all these people will be running their dirty mouths on social media. But this is a direct accusation. Even Tinubu is afraid of Shigumi. Nigeria is under siege. Nigeria has been caged. You people don't know what is going on. Nigeria has been caged. What you see on the surface is a mere political jargon, political futile exercises. Oh, 2027. Oh, election. This. These are distractions from the main event. The main event is going on the ground. You saw what happened. ISIS are now in Oyo State. ISIS are now in Oyo State. They made away 40 students. ISIS kidnapped 40 students, including headmaster. 40 students from Oyo State. Oyo State in 4 local government have shut down schools. No schools in 4 local government area in Oyo State. This is the headquarters of Yoruba land. Are you people kidding me? No. Are you people? What is wrong with us? No, this is not an ordinary thing. No, this is not. Someone must have used all this blood to hypnotize Nigeria. No, this is not an ordinary. Look at what is going on. I'm just telling you that now in Oyo State, this is not Bono. This is not Plateau. In Oyo State, they shut down schools in 4 local government because ISIS arrived and kidnapped 40 students, including headmasters. Their whereabouts is unknown after 48 hours. This is not a country. No. We must accept the truth. And guess what? Look at them. On your Monday, we shall stand. I'm not even hearing that name again. That name is getting away from people's mouth now. I go stand on that mandate. That day go break. Look at people singing on your mandate. Your children have been whisked away into the bush. What is the government going to do? What would the mandate do for you? There is fire on the mountain. And nobody seems to raise alarm. So, this is not funny, okay? This is not funny because I am a father. I'm a father and I used to think about it. I don't know how we reason. I don't know how black man reason. I don't know how we in Nigeria reason. You will see a father who have children. We hear that 40 children have been kidnapped. We hear that 100 children have been killed. The person will still be happy supporting the government who fails to protect these people. And you have your children sitting in your home. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. And some of them will still have the guts to come to social media to write rubbish. What is wrong with us? What is pseudo intellectuals thinking that they knows a lot, but they knows nothing? No, they are thinking they knows a lot, but they knows nothing. You are feeling comfortable, right? ISIS is in Oyo State. 4 local government, the whole school have been shut down. Oh, no problem. No problem. Let's continue to play the games along, all right? 2027 election is there. Then, in fact, make we go campaign. Let's forget about the problem. We'll learn a new thing. We're going to learn new thing. Oh, what are we supposed to do? First of all, acknowledge that there is a problem. Do you people look like people who acknowledge that there is a problem? No, tell me. Do Nigerians look like people who acknowledge that there is a problem? They have not acknowledged that there is a problem. So how can you even solve a problem you don't know about? Oh, they thought that, political regime change, it's 2027, let us, no problem. Voting number out is part of the problem. But how does that solve these damning challenges? We must recognize that Nigeria is at the verge of collapsing. We must recognize the main problem. There are so many people who are supporting the Islamic terrorist groups, like Boko Haram, ISWAP, Nakurawa, Al-Qaeda, all these people. And the reason why they are supporting them is because of the religious ideology. If you're unable to get it to this point, you don't still know the problem. Because this is not hidden by these people. The Boko Haram, they have their mission statement. They said their mission is to overthrow Nigerian government. Before you overthrow Nigerian government, what are you going to do? To destabilize, kill soldiers, kidnap students. It's a process of Islamization. Then, after they must have kidnapped these school children, do all those things, they said they will overthrow the Nigerian government and turn Nigeria into Islamic state that will be governed by Sharia law. This is a simple thing that they have stated over there. So, but every day, everybody's coming out to deceive, talk jargon, talk go here, talk go here. I'm just looking at you people. Let's see how this pretense will lead us to. Let's see how this pretense. See, watch the demographic infiltration from the north down. It is going down before you know. Plateau Kwara, Southern Kaduna to Kogi State, Southern Kogi, enter Kwara, enter Enugu, Hamufu side. Now it is already in Oyo State. I don't have anything to say again, but anyone that have ears, let him hear.